More than 6 million Southern Californians are under new water restrictions.
The governor announced he is considering a ban on watering non-functional grass.
Purely ornamental outdoor water usage is really a luxury.
Did you know about AB 1572? Some new legislation that just passed here in California. That's here to reduce water usage. When we think about water usage, we can think about a lot of things. We talk about landscaping, watering plants, grass, and trees. But this will all change with this new legislation. This new bill prohibits the use of potable water on non-functional turf. Potable water is water that we use every day to wash our hands, drink water, and even take showers. Basically, water that's been recycled, replenished, and sanitized. So think about the water that's in your home that goes down the drain that ends up being back in the landscape.
People don't realize with turf, it requires weekly mowing. It requires daily irrigation, watering every day. It requires a lot more fertilizer, 6 times a year, in order to keep that green, lush grass. This type of plant material probably needs to be maintained every 8 weeks versus weekly. The fertilizer is probably twice a year with using organic, slow-release fertilizers, and you get more of a sustained, slow growth. One key element to this landscape is look at the amount of bees and that we have here on this property, and that's coming to these flowers. That's something that is very valuable to our landscape, is to have bees and natural predators and insects back into our landscape. When you have a single turf, you have one single layer. You don't have the 3 dimensions you have here with your landscape.
Non-potable water is recycled water that has been treated through local water agencies. Non-functional turf serves no function. These areas could basically be parkways, HOA common areas, or areas around buildings that serve no function, but not front residentials. So don't worry about ripping out your lawn just yet. A perfect example of non-functional turf is this strip of grass here. Its only purpose is just for the aesthetics. As compared to functional turf, we're talking about recreational areas, parks, dog runs, anywhere that serves a function or a purpose that's usable with turf. AB 1572 has been signed, but it doesn't take into effect until 2027, with the deadline in 2029. So the question I get asked, can I still keep my grass? And the answer is yes, but you'll have to convert your potable water over to non-potable water. And this could be in a planning stage with your local water agency. I do recommend that you do your due diligence and work with your local water purveyor to make sure non-potable water is an option for your community. It's crucial to put a plan and strategy into place. Here at Harvest, we're already proactively gathering the information and data to put your community into compliance. Please make sure to reach out to your Harvest representative to make the transition as easy as possible.